line, I'm giving that a miss. What's really neat about this is it's the 19th of July and there's hardly anybody on this trail. Let's talk about the gear I've got on. I've got a Teclite Connect solar watch, which has got an altimeter on it. All the modern tech, including a compass, digital compass, which is perfect for the outdoors. It's also got my favourite silicone watch strap. It's at high visibility. I've got a Teclite shirt from Buffalo. I'm a brand ambassador for Buffalo Systems based in Sheffield, so I get to wear all their amazing gear on my adventures and test it out. A nondescript pair of gloves for grip. Salomon Speed Cross 5 trainers on. They may be a bit grippy at the bottom, but they're really waterproof, which is great. And I love Enduro shorts. My favourite shorts for hiking and biking are Enduros. They are incredible. And I've got my GoPro Hero 10, which will probably have given up by now after this long video. I have to say, this is probably the most fun I've had on a mountain bike, and the fact that I've got an electric bike makes it all that more sweet. Whoa, the back almost gave way there, like, huh. Viking time trial. Whew. Feel absolutely wrecked. Done this twice though, so that's good going. And here we are, back to the cars. cool down a bit. Glenlivet the Viking for the rest of you guys on YouTube. It's been fun here at Glenlivet mountain bike trails. Highly recommend coming up here for a good rattle. Get some calories burnt and some fun and adventure. Particularly people in Orkney like me. There's no trees up there, so it's good coming here and seeing a bit of forest.